Good morning, sunshines. It is Monday. We're going to have a wonderful day. Let's go over some things first this morning. The first thing I want to tell you is that Wednesday this week is the last day Miss Thompson is sending calendar. Now, there might still be things that you have to do at home for your teacher. There might still be things that your parents have you work on, but Wednesday will be our last calendar lesson together. Okay. Also, tomorrow we have a Zoom together with all of kindergarten at 2 o'clock. So we're all going to Zoom together at 2 o'clock, and you need to have Play Doh with you for our Zoom. So if you have Play Doh or clay at home, you're going to need some that tomorrow. If you don't have any, it's okay. You don't have to have it, but I thought I would tell you now so you can plan to have that Play Doh ready tomorrow. And that's for all of kindergarten. That's for Miss Thompson, Miss Johnson, and Miss All's class. Okay, so let's go ahead and check in on the mood meter and see how we're feeling today. How are we feeling? Where are we? Did everybody get checked in? You know how you're feeling? And if you're feeling in the red or the blue, remember that's okay. Try to figure out how you're going to move yourself, though. You don't need to stay in the red or stay in the blue all day. You need to figure out how to move yourself on the mood meter and move your mood into a more calm state. Okay? All right, great job. Let's talk about the date. Everybody, what month is it right now? Yeah, it's May. The last time we did calendar was Friday. Then it was Saturday, which was the 16th. And then it was Sunday, which was the 17th. And after Sunday comes what? Monday. Yes, and this is today. Let's go ahead and count to today and figure out the date together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Today is the 18th. Now, we've been practicing our teen numbers. You should know how to draw an 18 or write the number 18. Go ahead and you try to write it by yourself first before I do it. Write it in your calendar space for today. And it looks like this. See if this is what you wrote, a 1 and an 8. If yours doesn't look like this, erase it and try again. If you put the 8 first, I want you to try again. All right, everybody, great job. So let's move that 18 to today. And let's say the date together. Everybody say it with me. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Very good. And see where it says last day? That will be our last day of calendar lessons. I've loved making you these calendar lessons, even though we haven't been at school. It's kind of been special for me to do this every day and be able to talk to you and make sure we're still doing our morning meeting and still knowing what day it is and still learning, just like we used to at school first thing in the morning during calendar time. Okay, but I'm going to miss it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it. But we'll have fun the next 3 days until we're done, okay? And then remember, we have our kindergarten graduation on Zoom on this day. This is June 1st. I kind of had to draw these lines in because this is the next month. It's not in May. It's the first day of June, okay? So we'll do that. So we have a lot of special things still coming up, okay? Also, when your teachers, when the butterflies start coming out of the chrysalises, I'm sure your teachers will still send you videos about that, okay? All right, let's keep going. All right, we need to check the weather for today. So when I look outside my window in my office, I see sun and I see a blue sky up there. So I'm thinking it's sunny again. Let me see what the weather says. So today it does say it's sunny. It's 61. It says that later there might be what, guys? Yeah, a thunderstorm later with lightning and some rain tonight. If you look at the map, I want to show you something before we color the graph. Let's look at the weather. Whoops, I zoomed out. I didn't mean to zoom out. Oh, I'll still zoom. Okay, let's hit play. Now, do you see this storm out here? Well, it's not working. Is it doing it now? There it goes. So this storm out here in the ocean, okay? I'm not sure if this is going to cause us any rain. I know for North Carolina it is. The rain that we're going to get might just be this rain right here, but there's some storms all around that might affect us. This one might give us some rain because it's kind of looks like it's moving this way. So we'll see, okay? We'll see what happens. But we're right here. So there's no rain now. So enjoy the weather right now while we can, but then the rain is coming and some thunderstorms look like they are coming. All right. Let's go back to calendar. So let's go ahead and I'm going to color in a sunny day. If you do this at home and your weather is different than mine, remember you can color in something, you can color in something different. So we had 6, right? And we added another one. What happens when you add one more to 6? What do you get? Yeah, you get 7 because what comes after 6? Right? 7. So when you have 6 and you just add another one, it's 7. So let's count and make sure it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's 7. So we are going to write a 7 right here. 7 sunny days. So what kind of weather have we had the most of in May, everyone? Sunny, that's right. What kind of weather have we had the least of? The least. You should have 3 answers because it's rainy, snowy, and windy because they all have what? 0. Good job. All right. Now we're counting how many days we have left in kindergarten. Now, this would have been the real countdown if we had been in school. Technically, school's going to end a little before that because honestly, school will probably end right before or right the week after Memorial Day, right before graduation, but we're still going to use the countdown that we would have had if school had not closed. Okay, so we're just going to keep going with this, and you guys can finish it at home if you want to. So let's take a day off, and you tell me how many days there's that are left in kindergarten. What did you get? Did you get 11? It should be because look, 10, 11. How many 10s do we have in 11? We have 1 10. And how many 1s do we have in 11? Yeah, we have 1 1. And that's why the number 11 is a 1 and a 1 because there's 1 10 and 1 1. Good job. So 11 days left in kindergarten, which is not a lot, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so snap word of the day, we're going to do something different. So what we're going to do, you do not have to write unless you want to. You can write or you can just say the words. If you want to practice writing the words, get your pencil and you can fill up this whole paper. But we are going to practice with Miss All. We're going to practice all of the red and orange words. And if you already know them, that is okay. It's always good to practice. That way you know these words in a snap no matter what when you're reading, okay? So I'm going to show you on my page, which I've tried to make sure all the parents have access to, there is a Rainbow Snap Word link. And there's videos of Miss All going over all the snap words. If you need to practice blue, they're right here. If you need to practice indigo, here they are. Here's the violet words. We have red and orange, yellow, green. All of the snap words are here to practice with Miss All. And it has our snap word chart in case you need to look at it. So we're going to go over and I thought I already had it pulled up. It's okay. We're going to go over the red and orange snap words together. Okay, so let me see if I can get this to pull up. Here it is. Perfect. So when Miss All holds up a card, you're going to say the word if you know it, as soon as you know it in a snap. If you don't know it, you can wait and we'll go over it. If you want to write these down, you can. Okay, but here we go. Let's do it. You're not going to be able to hear Miss All, but we're still going to be able to talk about it. Here we go. That's what we should know that in a snap. What's that one? Me. Good. Oh, that's easy. A. You got it. My. Like. The. All right, that's all the red words, right? There's only 5 of them. Now we're going to do the orange words. His. If you don't know it when Miss All holds it up, oh, she's showing that it has the word is in it. If you don't know it when Miss All holds it up, when we say it again. Us. That was us. Is. In. Good. What's that one? At. Yep. If. Try to say it before we do. It. An. Run. She's showing that word part. Un. Here. What word is that? He. Or her, but with the extra E, it's here. Good. And. What's that word? An. Put. Look. Park. Dad. She's showing that word part. Add. Mom. See. House. She's saying ouse. If you put M in front, what would it be? Not house, but mouse. Yep. Very cool. I think that's the end of the video. That's all of the red and orange words, you guys. Now listen. Oh, Miss All said kiss your brain. All right, so when you guys want to practice, you can go to Miss Thompson's blog, and if your parents need to know, they can email me and ask me if they don't have this. But Miss All and Miss Johnson might have already emailed it to them. But you have access to all these videos so you can practice all of your snap words, okay? This would be great to use over the summer before first grade because you want to be ready for first grade and know your words, okay? All right, everyone. So we're done with our snap words for today. That's what we did for snap words. Now, this is our math page. For math, we're going to do something different. So we're going to go to a game. All right, this is a game that I like to play with my boys and girls. I've already showed this to my class, I think, but I'm going to show this to everybody. So on Matific, which is a fun math website, you can play games. Now, it's free right now for kids as long as you're, I think your teacher might have to set it up. I'm not sure whose teachers have set this up. But we can play together right now, and you need paper and you need your math page, and we're going to write some math problems down, okay? So this says, what a beautiful morning. Let's pick up the neighborhood kids and drive them to school. The bus talks, apparently. So we click let's go. All right. Oh, we need to move my picture. Okay, so these kids are going to get on the bus. So we're going to open the doors. How many got on the bus? How many was that? All right, you guys tell me. Was it 0 kids? Was there 1 kid? Was there 10 kids? How many? 2? Okay, 2 kids got on the bus, so we're gonna click 2. Yeah, you got it right. Good job. 2 kids got on the bus. Okay, let's keep going. Oh no, this little penguin. Oh, he missed the bus. So sad. Okay, let's look how many kids are going to get on the bus now. Make sure you count when they're getting on the bus. Okay, did you count those? How many kids got on the bus that time? Yes, there were 4 kids that got on the bus. Good job. All right, so here's our math equation. It says how many kids are on that bus right now? I want you to write this on your paper. So write it with me again, even though it's already here. You guys write it. There were 2 kids plus how many? 4 kids. How many are on the bus? If you need to draw like a little picture to go with it, so you had 1, 2 kids, and then there was 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. Remember, this is a strategy. You can always draw a picture. It doesn't even have to look like the thing. You don't even have to draw whole kids. You can just draw a picture to help you do the math. So how many kids are on this bus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Let's see if you're right. You guys say 6? Yes, there were 6 kids on the bus. Very good. All right, we're going to do another one, okay? We'll do one more today. And if you want to play these games, they're on Matific. And this one I think is free. This one let me play it without logging in. There is all the 6 kids. Oh, and then the poor penguin who got lost and left behind. He says, "Whew, I made it after all." All right, it says it's another beautiful day. Are you ready to bring the kids to school? Are you ready? All right, I'm trying to erase this one so we can do a new one. All right, here we go. Let's go. Okay. So remember to count how many kids get on the bus. All right, how many kids got on that bus? What was it? Yes, it was 4. Okay, 4 kids on the bus. I wonder if it's going to be 4 plus 2. What's the same thing as 2 plus 4? Or I wonder how many it's going to be. Nope, nope, it's different this time. Here we go. Count them. All right, how many kids just got on the bus? Do you remember? Yes, it was 3. Okay, so there was 4 plus 3 equals what? Now you try to do it. Remember, get your pencil and let's write it. 4 plus 3, write your equation on your paper, equals, and if you already know the answer, write it. If you don't know the answer, what's a strategy you can use? You can count on, you can put 4 in your brain and go 4, okay, plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or you can draw a picture and you can go, okay, there was 4 on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 more came. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now count up your circles and how many people are on the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either way, either strategy, you got 7. You can count your fingers. 4 plus 3, and then count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all strategies to help you do math. It's important to know your strategies so that you can do these problems. So we say the answer is what? 7. Let's see. You guys say 7? You did it. Let's see if you're right. Are going to get off the bus. Let's see if 7 get off the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Now there's more that you can keep doing. So if you haven't played on Matific yet, Matific is a lot of fun. And look, free access right now during the coronavirus. I'm not sure how to do it. I've already set my class up. But if your mom or dad wants to get you on here, there's all these games you can try to play, okay? It's a lot of fun. All right, you guys, you did a great job. We did all kinds of learning this morning. I'm so proud of you. Kiss your brain 2 times. 1, 2. Bye, everybody.